Hello students, let us see the ionic bond formation of magnesium chloride. MgCl2 is the formula of magnesium chloride. So we will see how does an ionic bond formed in the case of magnesium chloride. So you know that an ionic bond is formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to another. So the ionic bond is actually formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to another. Now let us see how does that electron transfer takes place in the case of magnesium chloride. So how does that electron transfer takes place in between magnesium and chlorine. So the two atoms present in magnesium chloride is magnesium and chlorine. For the formation of ionic bond, let us write the atomic number of magnesium is 12. So the atomic number of magnesium is 12 and the electronic configuration is 282. So there are 12 electrons in magnesium atom and the electronic configuration is 282. So magnesium has 282 configuration. So in order to attain a stable configuration, and this magnesium loses 2 electrons and attains 2 positive charge. So it loses 2 electrons. This atom has 282 configuration. Now after losing 2 electrons, it attains stable configuration. So in order to attain octet configuration, that means 8 electrons in the outer shell, that is a stable configuration. So in order to attain stable configuration, it loses 2 electrons and getting 2 positive charge. So Mg2 plus is formed, that is magnesium ion, and it is having configuration 2, 8. Now let us write the atomic number of chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. There are 17 electrons, so the electronic configuration is 287. So chlorine atom has 287 configuration. In order to attain octet configuration, it accepts 1 electron and getting a negative charge. One atom is accepting 1 electron, so it gets 1 negative charge and the configuration is an octet configuration, that is 288. So 287 is the configuration. When it accepts 1 electron, it attains 1 negative charge and the configuration is 288. So 8 electrons in the outer shell. So it is also having a stable configuration. So the first step is the formation of magnesium ion. So magnesium ion is actually Mg2 plus. Then the second step is the formation of chloride ion. It is Cl minus. So Mg2 plus and Cl minus are formed in the case of magnesium chloride. So here we have to show the electron transfer. So when magnesium reacts with chlorine, what does or how does the electron transfer takes place? And we know that the electron dot structure of magnesium is like this. That means 282 is the configuration. 282 is the configuration. So 2 electrons in the outer shell. So for electron dot structure, we will represent the 2 electrons by putting 2 dots. And in the case of chlorine, there is 7 electrons in the outer shell. So we have to put 7 cross. So magnesium needs to give 2 electrons and chlorine needs only 1 electron. So magnesium has to give 2 electrons, but chlorine needs only 1 electron. So in order to attain octet configuration, magnesium should give 2 electrons and chlorine need only 1 electron. For getting an octet configuration, this magnesium has to give 2 electrons to 2 chlorine atoms. So, we need to take 2 chlorine atoms so that 1 electron is transferred to 1 chlorine atom and 1 other electron is transferred to the other chlorine atom. Since magnesium needs to give 2 electrons, but chlorine needs only 1 electron. But magnesium should give 2 electrons in order to attain octet configuration. So, in order to attain octet configuration, magnesium has to give 2 electrons. So, magnesium gives 1 electron to 1 chlorine atom and the other electron to other chlorine atom. So, anyway, magnesium gets Mg2 plus, that means 2 positive charge, and chlorine gets a negative charge, but we have to represent 2 chlorine atoms. So, there is 1 chlorine atom is represented by this, that means 288 configuration. So, there will be 2 chlorine atoms are there. So, 2 should be represented as a subscript here. So, there are 2 chlorine atoms. So, Mg2 plus and Cl minus. So, it is having a negative charge also. So, Mg2 plus and Cl minus. So, 2 Cl minus ions are there. So, 1 Mg2 plus and 2 Cl minus. So, Mg2 plus and Cl minus. So, these are the ions present in magnesium chloride, but there is only 1 Mg2 plus, but there are 2 Cl minus. So, these 2 ions or Mg2 plus and Cl minus both are oppositely charged in nature, that is held together by electrostatic force of attraction to form the ionic bond. So, there is an electrostatic force of attraction between Mg2 plus and Cl minus. So, that electrostatic force of attraction will held together these 2 type of ions in the case of magnesium chloride. So, this is how magnesium chloride is formed, and this is the explanation of ionic bond formation of magnesium chloride.